We are delighted to announce the agenda for the next Steam Turbine and Generator user group in March 2025. This industry-leading power industry event will bring together the leading operators, OEMs, maintenance providers, suppliers and experts who will share their expertise and insights from recent projects. Speakers confirmed include representatives from Siemens, Uniper, EDF, Doosan Skoda, FM Global, Ansaldo, GE, Toshiba International, Flexitalic, ABB, Sulzer, National Electric Coil and many more. Join this growing community in Manchester and hear the latest technical innovations, get market trends, address key engineering challenges and take back best practice to minimise plant risks and optimise the performance of your assets. Plus, enjoy a whole host of opportunities to meet with hundreds of like-minded engineers with dedicated networking sessions and a complimentary dinner for all attendees. Visit the event website to book your place, and we look forward to welcoming you and your colleagues to this user group next March. See you there!